Hi, folks.
Hi, folks.
You've heard of beer crawls, you've heard of wine crawls, and today would be an appropriate day for those because here in Georgia is Georgia Beer Day. But actually, we're here in Dahlonega today for a chocolate crawl. The first stop on our chocolate crawl is My Vintage Gypsy Teas and Magical Makings. They have some hot chocolate here. This is one of their specialties. I imagine our first chocolate is going to be one that we drink.
Hey, I'm telling you, I don't care. It's all.
Very pretty setting. Oh, wow.
Well, thank you. These are a lot of collections from my home.
Oh,
Well,
really?
you and I have the same aesthetic, I believe. So this is iced hot chocolate. Tammy, do you want to?
Wow.
So this is a Belgium Dutch press high-fat cocoa that we blend ourselves. This is actually our own recipe. We make it, and today we're introducing, because it's getting warmer outside, iced hot chocolate.
So this is not just a one-time thing. You sell this here in your shop.
And you can see we have wonderful things like Almond Joyous, French Kiss, Bourbon Street Grill, which is praline. We named that after a restaurant in
iced
town.
hot chocolates. This is the first time I've ever heard of it.
What do you think?
I hadn't tried it
Well,
yet.
you got to try it. He's going to film it.
You ready?
Go ahead.
Tell me what you think. It's strawberry.
Oh my goodness.
That's really good.
Tell them, not me.
You know, at first, the idea of iced hot chocolate, I didn't know, but it
So a lot of
works.
It does.
Works.
I actually make these candles.
Y'all make the candles too? You do, personally.
I do.
Oh, wow.
A lot of the stuff in the shop we make ourselves.
Well, this is so far, and we've been coming to Dahlonega a long, long time. One of the coolest shops
Yeah.
that we've ever come to at Dahlonega.
Thank you.
And your other tattoo. And that's so good. They did a good job on that.
Thank you. Yeah.
That's how you,
Hope and joy.
I
Yeah.
love
Bye from
that.
Gypsy Teas.
Now we're going to see what kind of chocolate offerings they have at Kilwins. Tammy, would you like to try?
Chocolate pecan. Thank you.
Let's go over here out of the way and that was so good. We may have to take home a few items with us. Tam, this place has some good chocolate, does it not?
It does.
We got us a few things to go for tonight.
That apple is gonna be awesome.
Okay, this stop, folks, on the chocolate crawl is probably the most famous candy store in Dahlonega, the Fudge Factory. Let's see what they have to offer. Are y'all doing the fudge crawl?
Yes, sir, we are.
Can we try some of the fudge?
Yes, sir. We do samples of all of our fudges and brittles, and then we also do samples today for, of our salted caramels.
That's what
I want, the salted caramel.
Did you want milk chocolate or dark chocolate?
Milk chocolate for me.
Yeah.
What did you want?
That's fine.
Okay.
Ooh,
There you go.
thank you. Ooh.
Thank you.
So we decided to come outside and try our chocolate. It's pretty crowded up in the Fudge Factory today. So this is salted caramel. I have milk chocolate. Did you get milk chocolate as well?
Chocolate,
milk chocolate. This is special. Caramely chewy. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. That's some good chocolate. This stop is one of our favorite chocolatiers in the whole world, Paul Thomas Chocolate. If you saw our video about the oatmeal cream pie dipped in chocolate, it was the chocolate from this place. They're also on the chocolate crawl, thank goodness. So we're gonna go in and see what they have to offer. Chocolate for both of us, please. No, that's fine. Coconut Haystacks here at Chocolate Crawl.
Oh yeah, can I
I
get
think I need that.
the dark chocolate wasabi and jalapeno bar?
Yes, please. We have our samples for the Chocolate Crawl and a little bit more. It's hard to get out of here without some chocolate. So Paul Thomas's chocolate crawl offering is something called a coconut haystack.
Yes.
I believe he called it coconut haystack. We got the milk chocolate version. The sun's kind of bright today. We're gonna give it a try. That's sweet. I almost feel like I need a glass of milk to go with this. It is very, very sweet. That's some good stuff, isn't it? Wow. I've enjoyed this this particular kind of crawl.
I guess so.
Folks, that was just 4 stops along the chocolate crawl. There are other stops. They're all restaurants, though, such as at the Bourbon Street Grill behind us. You have to kind of go in and take a seat to get your chocolate at these places. But free chocolate, Tammy, what'd you think?
Delicious.
And all quality stuff too. None of it was cheap stuff. This was really a great crawl, as fun as any kind of beer or wine crawl you can imagine. Plus you get a sugar buzz. Thank you for joining us in Dahlonega for the chocolate crawl. All these places are open during the week and on the weekends. Come and get you some chocolate, folks. Until the next time, this is Mike and Tam saying bye.